Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. I'm just kind of mapping in this general shape. It's kind of like a heart shape there to start with. Get a suggestion of that tail waving in the background. We're going at 2.5 times the speed here, and I'm voicing over. I'm just paying attention to angles and shapes here more than anything right now, and just kind of using my gut to kind of judge where those paws should be in relation to the head. Just measuring with my eyes more than anything. My intuition. I'll get kind of the shapes within the shapes now. A line for the eyes there, and then the muzzle. We'll darken up the lines I like, and then we'll let the rest of the lines kind of fade away into background tone. It adds movement and life to have a bit of that tone in the background. Just a suggestion of toe lines, and I don't worry about exactly where they are, just a suggestion. Here's where I really slow down a little, is getting the facial features in. Slow down and tighten up a little. And I ended up making this face a bit too scrunched up, and I'll do a couple of repairs on it, which you'll see soon. Needs to be a bit longer, but we'll get to that. That wonderful bib. And I really like to replicate the types of lines that I use throughout to create unity in the drawing. Unity and flow. Yep, here we go. Let's get rid of that face and start again. We'll leave the eyes. Need to lower the nose and mouth down. Yeah, I didn't leave enough room between the nose and the mouth this time. So we're going to erase again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. That's more in the place I wanted it. Looks a little more natural that way. And I just give a suggestion of those ragdoll markings. We sped up now to about 10 times the speed just to finish this drawing up. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.